Hello everyone, I am Francine from Huawei Global Training Center. Last course, we already learned about the history of Openstack and its mission of to produce an ambiguous open source cloud computer platform that will match to the needs of public and private clouds. Well, this section, let's continue to discuss the architecture of Openstack. These pictures illustrate a lot of Openstack architectures which contains lots of projects, or we can say components. For example, the Nova components provides computer service, Gland component provides image service, Swift component that provides object store, Cinder component that provides block storage, and Horizon components that provides panel service. Now, let's take a look at the functions of each component. First of all, it's about our keystone component, which is the identity service used by Openstack for automatification and high-level authorization. It manages users, tenants, projects, roles, and endpoints. Each keystone's function supports the back and the plugins for integration into heterogeneous environments and to expose device functionality. Some of more common backends includes SQL, PAM, and LDAP. Another very important project is Nova, which provides computing service and is used for hosting and managing cloud computer system. It's a distributed schedule determines on which host a VM should launch and manages the virtual machine instant lifecycle. For example, the instant creation, stopping, and migration. Nova works with KVM, VMware, XN, and Hyper-V, hypervisor virtualization technology as well as Linux container technology like LXC and LXD. Last page, we introduce Nova component. Well, Compute release an external image service to store virtual machine images. By default, Computer is configured to use the Openstack image service, also known as Glance, which is currently only supported image service. When adding an image to Gland component, you must specify what is the virtual machine image disk format and container format are. For example, the role with its unstructured disk image format, keycode2 is KeyIMU, copy on write format. Because the image service doesn't provide image storage function, it's using Glance API through storage adapter component. Then connect with the Glance stored backend such as Swift, CAPH, Amazon S3, and so on. This picture shows the Openstack Object Store project, known as Swift, provides highly redundant, available subject store service. It's ideal for storing unstructured growing data. For example, Huawei Cloud Storage and Virtual Machine Image Store for Nova component. Swift is similar with Amazon X3 component. The Openstack Network project, known as Neutron, formerly called Quantum, it's based on plugin model, provides networking as a service, provides R-Support SDN. Neutron component can obtain multi-tenant network isolation. Cinder is an Openstack project to provide local storage as a service. With the Openstack local storage service, you can create and attach a volume to the Nova instance. At the same time, it supports a snapshot of volumes and background functions. Cinder is similar to the Amazon EBS component. Its plugin based in architecture easy for expansion. This picture shows the Horizon project. The Horizon is the connector implementation of Openstack's dashboard, which provides a web-based user interface to Openstack services, including Nova, Swift, Keystone, and so on. It's reliable API, providing an awesome interface that people can use it. The Ceilometer project is a data collection service for Openstack components. Ceilometer's goals is to efficiently collect normalize and transform data produced by Openstack service. The data is collected can use it to provide customer bidding, resource tracking, and alarming capabilities. Now, let's take a brief summary of this section. In this course, we have learned Openstack Architecture and key components main functions, for example, Keystone, Nova, Glance, and so on. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.